Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. I am Amanda and I'm new to vlogging, and my first vlog is about me being new to cruising. So I wanted to very quickly go over some things that I've purchased for my first cruise. Me and my husband are going on a cruise in May. It's March now, and we're already starting to prepare. We only even found out a couple of weeks ago, so I've been binging a bunch of videos to prepare myself for this first trip on a cruise ship, and I got inspired to vlog my own. Oh, that's my cat. He's Orion. He's not coming with us. Hi. Anyway, I wanted to start with, I know there's a ton of these videos, but from a first-time cruiser's perspective, I wanted to show off some things that I purchased for the cruise and what I've learned from watching all of the videos, and then hopefully even vlog about my cruise experience in general. So I'm gonna get started. First thing that I wanted to get, we learned that in the cruise rooms there aren't a lot of plugs, outlets for charging purposes, and everybody these days has at least a cell phone that they need to charge. So most of the stuff, just as an FYI, is either from the dollar store or Target, and if I remember which is from where, I will let you know, but either place you could probably get all of this stuff from. If we didn't get to the dollar store, we got it at Target. Anyway, the first thing we got was a power strip. Now, to clarify, these power strips cannot be a surge protector. I've learned that very quickly. So this is from the Dollar Tree, and we actually bought two on just in case chance there is two outlets, but if not, you know, whatever, they're $1, and we're not flying, we're driving, so we got two just in case. So there's 3 outlets on those, and yeah, hopefully that'll help us out with the limited outlet situation. Another very important thing that I learned from videos I watched were that things on the cruise ship that you can get every day in your everyday life in any other place for a decent price are like triple the price. So start like things like Band-Aids and cold medicine. Both of those, I'm sorry, the Band-Aids we got at Target, the cold medicine we got at the Dollar Tree, and Bonine we got at Target, which is a seasickness medicine. I've never been on a cruise ship or any kind of major ship before, only like paddle boats, so I don't know if I get seasick. Sometimes I get motion sickness, so we'll see. We got that just in case. Again, mainly because it could be pretty expensive from what I hear on the cruise ship, if you don't have it supplied. We also got at the dollar store Halls, just in case as well. We are traveling from New Jersey, and we're actually going from New Jersey to North Carolina, where his family is, who's coming with us, and we are all going from North Carolina to Florida, where our cruise, Carnival Magic, is leaving from. So we have a lot of driving to do. We're not big flyers, especially since it's 2 of us. It just makes it easier for us to drive. But since there's going to be a lot of driving, we did get from the dollar store just some crosswords and Sudoku. He's the Sudoku on the crosswords, for us to have something to do outside of our phones, just in case on the trip, like, you know, we don't want to waste our battery, or there's no internet signal for some reason. We got these to entertain us, and some pens to bring as well. And in addition to the pens being useful on the cruise ship, oh, I'm sorry, we also got pencils mainly for the books. We got pens for the cruise ship too, but we also got highlighters, because from what I've seen, the cruise ships, they give like a pamphlet every day that is an itinerary of what's happening on the cruise ship that day, and somebody had suggested, a few people, having highlighters to highlight the ones that you want to do, and my husband took it one step further to find a pack of 4 so that we could do like one color is whatever thing I want to do that day, and the other color is whatever he wants to do, and then we can use the third color for what we both want to do, so we could hopefully prioritize our time and try to get in things that, you know, not only that we both want to do, but individually as well. Another thing for the cruise room, to be able to leave notes, or I saw a few ideas for this, is a dry erase board that's magnetic. This is from the dollar store too. I heard you can leave these, some people like put these on their door. I don't know if the door is magnetic, but I heard something about somebody hanging a dry erase board on their door and then leaving notes for other cruisers, or letting other cruisers be able to write notes for them. Or just using it as a way to communicate in case you don't have internet, or having it in the room to leave notes for like your steward or something like that. And then in case of needing to just write notes in general, because I love to write, we got notepad again from the dollar store. It's magnetic. All the walls in the room are supposed to be magnetic, so you can write on that, and that's what the pens are going to be for too. Oh, my favorite thing. So one of the other things about the rooms is that the doors, people recommend trying to decorate them because they all look the same. And they, at the dollar store, they had these reusable stick-ons that are supposed to be safe to attach to things. And I was so happy that the dollar store by me had mermaids. How cool is that? Look at the little dolphin and the seashell, and look, it's just meant to be. I mean, look at my hair. It's basically me. So Carnival Magic, May 11th to the 19th. I'm hoping to have these on my door to hang up, so I know which room is mine. And if you're on the cruise with me and you see those stickers, just know it's me, Amanda. Another thing we got for decoration purposes on the cruise is so on this cruise, my husband's grandmother, it's her birthday while we're there, and then also one of the days on the cruise is mine and my husband's 3-year anniversary. So this is an exciting trip, but for her birthday we're hoping, and I know I can't use tape, but we'll get like the command strips. That we just haven't gotten them yet. This is all stuff we just started purchasing, and then as I get more, I'll hopefully make more videos for you guys. If you want me to, comment below. Anyway, we got this little banner from the dollar store. It's a happy birthday banner for his grandmother. I know you can purchase like a package thingy on the cruise website for Carnival Cruises, but that's like $50. And I mean, if we can't hang it, if they say no for whatever reason, it's just $1, so I'm not worried about it, but I don't want to spend $50. My cat knocked something over. Anyway, I don't want to spend $50 if I don't have to. Oh, we also, as far as magnets go, we also got these little magnets from the dollar store. They say things like, this is fierce and no problema. There's like a, is that llama? I think it says llama. I don't know. It's pineapple cute, and then this one's got brave and go for it and a butterfly, which is my favorite. Oh, look, there's a llama. These were from the dollar store. Not quite sure what we'll use those for yet, but or if they'll, you know, just be decoration, but we have them. What else did we have? We've got, oh, toothpaste. Travel size little thing of toothpaste, hopefully last us the 8 days, and makeup remover wipes. Both of those, and I think I said, and the magnets are from the Dollar Tree. I tend to wear makeup, and then on trips I don't always have time, or I'm a little too drunk to actually fully wash my face to take it off, so hopefully the makeup wipes will just help me at least just clean my face before sleeping or anything. I heard at the ports there could be, you know, mosquitoes and things like that, so we did get this from Target as a bug spray just to protect ourselves. We have to get sunscreen. Very important. That is on the list, but I don't have it yet. We also got Febreze for our clothes, just in case they need to be freshened up, and Renews It from the dollar store to keep our bathroom fresh. And then we've got glow sticks. I heard on the cruises that I think on this cruise we might have like an 80s night, or On some other cruises, they just have parties with glow sticks, and that they, from what other people have said, the glow sticks they tend to run out of very quickly. So I didn't want that to happen because I love glowy shiny things. So I got, just from the dollar store, my own little 16-piece glow stick, and I'll probably wear all of them. My husband got razors for him. We know that there's, from what I've seen, there's shelves in the estate rooms, in the bathrooms already, but we did get this that could be attached to the mirror from the dollar store. It's a shower caddy. Not quite sure what we'll use it for yet, but my husband wanted it, and, you know, it'll just be a little extra storage space should we need it. And one of the last most important things is we got this folder to keep our important documents in. I heard that, you know, it's good to have all in one place. We're traveling without a passport. This trip was very spontaneous. On our end, his family had it planned, and then they had something happen, and we helped them out with it. And it's a long story, I won't get into it, but they are bringing us on the trip with them as a little thank you, which I'm really grateful for. And anyway, so we don't have passports. The cruise director, not the cruise director, the travel agent said we didn't need them, that our birth certificate should be okay. Most videos and from what I've seen online say you really should have a passport, but we don't have the time to get one. So we're gonna have to do the birth certificate thing, and my hopeful plan is, and please comment below or message me or whatever if I'm doing this incorrectly, but I've done some research and it says that the ships are usually okay with just a photocopy of the birth certificate. So I'm hoping to keep photocopies on me throughout the cruise, but the actual birth certificates in these, and just to keep them a little safer. I hope that's okay. Again, please comment below if you have experience with this. Again, I don't really have another choice but to travel with my license and birth certificate for this cruise, but hopefully in the future, you know, we'll have a passport so we won't have to worry about it. Yeah, that's all I have right now for my trip. To keep it out of the way, since it's still about 2 months away, I just have it in my suitcase, and I'll like unpack it and repack it more neatly. But it's just not, before it was just in bags in my living room, and that wasn't cutting it for me. The only other stuff we really have right now is just clothes. My husband got a very stereotypical, intentionally stereotypical tourist outfit full of flamingos, and he's really excited to wear it. And yes, I did indulge him and get myself a flamingo bathing suit cover, so we will match a little, but no, his is way over the top. He has a bathing suit, he has bathing suit bottoms with flamingos, flip-flops, and a button-down t-shirt, and this hat, which I really like as well. And yeah, I might go get this hat just for myself, but yeah, he's decking himself all out, and I plan on doing the same, but not in flamingos. So yeah, that's all the stuff we have right now. And again, we're first-time cruisers, so I'm really excited. I hope to make some more vlogs of this. This is my first time actually vlogging anything, and I do apologize, I'm not that great at editing, so if you think that you could give me any advice, or if there's anything specific you want to see about my cruise experience or in general, just comment below. And yeah, that's it. So thanks so much for watching. What do other people say? Like and subscribe. Thanks very much. Bye.